years. Hi guys, so today we're celebrating Pastor's Appreciation Month. So meron po tayong na-receive from the church, FFCC. Basahin po natin. Here. Tada! Sabi po dito, to Pastor Michelle Lomboy, we appreciate you from FFCC family. Okay. So, we'll open what includes, ito siya, oh. So, let's open. Hirap pala siya. Actually, hindi ko masabi kung saan, hindi ko alam pronunciation niya. Fuchon or
Potion.
So,
It's potion.
Okay, so, what is included? We have chocolate. Yeah. What else? What is this? This is mini cheddar. Let's try and open it. Nakasil naman pala siya. And there is a mug. Nice. Kapadala ko din sa Philippines. Meron pong collection doon ng mug na magaganda. And this is I don't know. Ano yan? Parang pareho naman po siya. Dalawa siya. And there's another chocolate here. I think this is the same. Dinesign lang dyan. And this one. What is this? Basta yun na yun. Hindi ko alam paano yan siya. And the last is this one. Biscuits. Nice. So, thank you po. Thank you, FLDC. Salamat po. So, this is just a box. Ito po siya, box. So, pwede po siyang isarado. And may plastic po siya. So, I guess, okay naman po siya. Value for money. Pasok naman po yata ito sa budget nila. And, yun. Maganda po siya pang gift. So, if you're interested, just go to this one. Kung alam i-pronounce. And, mag-order po kayo ng ganito. If you want to appreciate someone as a gift, maganda naman po siya. Naman po, magandang buhay. Happy Pastor's Month sa lahat po. Thank you guys.